So on this channel, I cover a lot of ways to make money online. And I know some of you guys may be tired of hearing about the regular customer service type of jobs because even though it's an easy way to start making money online, it's not really flexible and it doesn't really pay a whole lot. Also, I've covered a lot of data entry type of jobs here, which are good because it is a bit easier, but also it's time consuming and it may not provide you with all the flexibility that you need. So it may actually tie you down and use up a lot of your time. And again, data entry jobs online, even though I do find some high paying ones, for the most part, they don't really pay all that well. Now, luckily, I came across this article that was published just about a week ago. Work from home repeating words and earn up to $60 per hour. So I want to give credit to the author here. And it says you could turn your voice into cash and no experience is needed. Now I went through this article and I found that most of the websites and resources here are actually things that I've covered before on this channel, with the exception of a few. So most of these are going to be related to AI training and audio data collection. But the really good thing about doing something like this is that you have a ton of flexibility. You don't necessarily need to be tied down. They pay very well, up to $60 per hour. For some of these, you can actually get paid instantly. So once you complete the job or the project, you do get paid immediately. And also, most of these can be done worldwide, so there is no need for you to be inside the United States. So if you're watching from outside the US, then these are really good opportunities. And again, you're gonna get paid a lot. All you have to do is simply repeat words, use your voice, and you have a lot of flexibility with these. So that's what I'm gonna be covering in this video. Be sure to stick around as I'll be covering probably around 6 different websites or platforms that you guys can use to work from home by simply just repeating words, and you could earn up to $60 per hour. So without wasting any time, the first one is gonna be ACX, and here for the most part, you could become a narrator. Now, becoming a narrator here, these are the steps that you would take. So you'd create your profile and then you start auditioning. And in auditioning, this is where, as I say here, you get to showcase your talent in your profile. So this is how authors will be able to find you. So you could include background and experience and also add any vocal samples that showcase your range. Like if you specialize in any dialects or anything like that, then you could include that in your profile. And so authors will be able to find you based on the information in your profile. Then you can start auditioning for projects. So if you find something that you think would be a good fit for you, then you can record and submit an audition for that job. And the authors will provide you with notes about what they're looking for in the audition recording. And here you can kind of put your best foot forward, so to speak, and you really don't need any experience. This is going to be solely based off your sample that you're submitting. So you want to make sure that is the best possible sample that you could give. Also, you could collaborate to create. So once you and the author decide to team up and work together, then you guys would be able to negotiate the timeline of the project and also the pay structure. And so this is entirely up to you and the author to negotiate. So there's not really a set price here, so you can negotiate that. So you're in charge of how much you make, and you're also in charge of really the timeline and how much time you're putting into this project on a day-to-day basis. So that makes it really flexible. Next, you finalize the project, you get paid, and then you can move on to the next project. So if you think you have the voice for it, this is one way that you can actually use your voice, and you could be making $60 an hour and even a whole lot more here. Also, they do provide you with a ton of resources here to get started. So this is one great place to go to. So ACX, I'll leave the link down below. Now, next on the list, we have Voices, which is a marketplace for voiceovers. So if you go on their website, you'll actually click on the link that says Find Work. And here you could be matched and you could get paid for your voiceover skills. So you could audition for jobs again that match with your skills. And they also have thousands of jobs posted monthly. So you could do as much or as little as you want here to earn as much as you need to or as little as you need to, depending on the time that you have available right now. You can also create your profile for free and get started here. And this is another easy way to use your voice and get paid for doing so. So they have like video narration, animation, audiobooks, radio ads, television ads, AI voice, and other things that you could do here. The main objective is that you're using your voice and you're getting paid to do so. Next on the list, we have 3Play Media. Now on 3Play Media, you can click on their jobs link and it'll take you to this page, and you want to click on freelance transcriptionist jobs, and then that will take you to another page here where you can find jobs like being an English voice writer. So this is where you start. You simply fill out this application right here and you could get started. But to give you guys an idea of what you'd be doing in this job, you could be transcribing in English. That's one thing that you could be doing. Or you could be an English voice writer, which is where you'd use your voice. So here they're seeking voice writers of all levels of experience for contract work to produce real-time captions for live events by re-speaking into their free web-based simple-to-use software. And voice writing creates high-quality captions in real time to be delivered back to the live streamed event. So that's what you'll be doing. As for qualifications, all you need is a headset, computer, strong internet connection, excellent communication, verbal listening skills, clear and consistent speaking voice, being able to sit or stand comfortably for the duration of an event, which could be up to 90 minutes, multitasking between listening, speaking, and typing, also completing a background check before starting to work. And there's actually a video here that you guys could watch, so we could take a look at this real quick. Shows you exactly how this works right here. So this is a video that will show you exactly what you'll be doing.
3Play Media is committed to making media
3Play
widely
Media is
accessible.
committed to making.
So I'm gonna mute this, but as you can see here, this person is doing a live stream, and this other person right here is simply repeating the live stream into the software, which then provides real-time captions, and this is what voice writing is. So all you simply have to do is to watch a live stream, a live event. You're simply gonna listen and repeat what is being said into a software that is going to do the transcription. So you're simply just using your voice and you're getting paid for doing so. So this is another really great place to go to find these types of jobs. Next on the list, we have RWS in the AI community, or the Train AI community. And here, most or all of the jobs here are jobs that don't require any experience. And they also have positions for all skill levels. So even if you're a student looking to earn extra cash, or you're an entry-level candidate just beginning your career, you can find some really good opportunities here. So types of opportunities here will include like an online rater, where you rate, provide feedback, or perform assessments in accordance with specific criteria on text, audio, or video. Also, you could be a data collector, which you could work and you could collect or create or generate text, image, or audio. So that's where recording comes in. Data annotator, you could annotate, label, or tag text, audio, image, or video. As well, you could also become an ad evaluator, so review and provide feedback on online ads and search engines, social media platforms, and other websites. So a ton of really good AI related jobs that you can do here, and you can use your voice to make money. Again, no experience is required. If you're a college student looking for extra cash, or an entry-level candidate, and even if you're a seasoned professional or a freelancer, you'll still find jobs here, really flexible jobs where you could use your voice. Next on the list, we have audio data collection, and this is available in many different countries. We're looking at one for Canada right now, but you could go back to TELUS International's AI community and you could find audio data collection jobs in many different countries and many different languages. So this is a remote task that takes only 15 minutes to complete and can be done from home. And they're aiming to expand the language and secure performance for voice commands. So you will hold the device about 30 centimeters away while recording and reading 8 commands 20 times in your natural voice. You will avoid shouting and whispering, and preferably record yourself with minimal background noise. Compensation is dependent on your location. So depending on your country, that will have an impact on how much you can earn. But this task is only 20 minutes and this is all you really need. So this one is in Canada, so the requirements here are that you need to have fluency in English, any Samsung phone, and be of 18 years or older. But for different countries, that may be different, but this is also another really simple way that you could use your voice to make money today. Now, finally, we have DataVio by iSoftStone, and currently they have like a speech data collector, and they have this in many different countries as well. So you'd go through here and find jobs in your country. But this job is a really easy one. So this project involves gathering and measuring audio data. Data will be used to understand and process audio input, making virtual assistants and other AI programs more user-friendly. So for example, this one is from Japan. Language is going to be Japanese. You'll be required to record 60 phrases in Korean. Work will need to be completed online from a computer or smartphone, and full details would be provided later on. Duration is 30 to 40 minutes, and you must be a native Japanese speaker, must be located in Japan, have access to a computer, able to meet deadlines, available immediately. And for this job, it's paying $20. And again, it's only around 30 minutes of your time. But depending on the country, the compensation may be a bit different. So keep that in mind as well. For example, this one is still 25 to 30 minutes, but this one is paying up to $40, or actually paying $40 upon review and approval. So depending on the country, the pay rate may differ a bit. This one is paying $45. It's the same job, same 25 to 30 minutes. So you could go through here and you could find these jobs in your country, and simply for 30 minutes of your time, you could be making $45, $50, or even over $60. On an hourly basis, this could be a whole lot more than $60 per hour. But some really good places that you guys could go to. So DataVio by iSoftStone, link is down below. We have TELUS International, the AI community. We have RWS and their Train AI community. We have 3Play Media with voice writing. We also had voices.com, and there was ACX. All links will be down below. So really good opportunity to make money, and also provides you with a ton of flexibility. If you guys are interested, links are down below. As always, all the best with making money online. I'll talk to you guys soon in the next video.